The statement that heat cannot flow by itself from a body at a lower temperature to a body at a higher temperature is known as the second law of thermodynamics. Second law of the thermodynamics. The statement that heat cannot be flow by itself from a body at a lower temperature. Okay, lower temperature to a higher temperature. This is a low temperature, this is a high temperature. The temperature is converted, transfer to lower temperature to higher temperature is known as the second law of the thermodynamics. Okay, second law of the thermodynamics. Hello friend, there is you do the report of error on the comment box, share on the WhatsApp. Okay, friends with us. The thermoflux prevented heat loss. Thermoflux prevented heat loss, radiation, conduction and convection. 3 are okay, 3 are right. So all of above answer. Woolen cloth kept the body warm because wool is the bad conductor of the heat. Okay, wool is the bad conductor of the heat, so it does not allow heat flow out of body. That reason is this is a woolen. Okay, heat cannot be flow inside. Okay, why this is a insulator, means the bad conductor. Okay, bad conductor of heat, does not allow the heat flow out of body. This is a reason of the woolen cloth keep the body warm because. Okay, 35. A glass container crack when the very hot tea is poured into it. A parabola region for this is a glass container crack. Okay, when a glass, this is a glass. Okay, this is a glass crack when hot tea is poured. Okay, hot tea is poured into it. Okay, hot tea poured. Okay, hot tea poured into it. Problem region. Okay, this is a problem, not a parabola. This is a region for this is why because the thermal conductivity of the glass is very low. Okay, thermal conductivity of the glass is very low. That region is the crack of the glass. If the temperature of a hot body is the increase of 50%, if the temperature of the hot body is increased by the 50%, the amount of the radiation emitted by the increase of approximately 400%. Okay, 400%, which is the fastest mode of the heat loss. Fastest mode of the heat loss, convection, which is the fastest mode of the heat loss. Okay, heat loss, convection called. A solid sphere of the radius r and a hollow sphere of inner radius r by 2 and outer radius r. Okay, so are heated to the same temperature and are allowed to cool in the same environment. So what shall be done? Now this is a sorry friend, there is the creating of the system. Now I becomes here a solid sphere. This is a solid sphere. Okay, radius is r, and hollow sphere, this is a hollow sphere. Okay, this is a hole. Okay, this is a hole sphere of the radius is the r by 2. Okay, r by 2, this is a radius r by 2, and the outer radius is r, total radius is r. More of the copper are heated. Okay, the copper are heated the same temperature and are allowed to cool. Okay, same temperature are heated, allowed to cool the same environment. So what has be done? So hollow sphere of the cools fastest. Okay, hollow sphere hollow sphere cool faster. Okay, hollow sphere cool faster. Amount of heat required to change a liquid. Okay, amount of heat required to change the liquid to gaseous state without any changes in the temperature is known as amount of heat required to change liquid to gaseous. This is a liquid. Okay, it is converted into the gas. Okay, state without any change of the temperature. This is a specific heat capacity. This is a specific heat capacity or latent heat evaporation. This is a latent heat evaporation. This is answer. This is a latent heat of evaporation. This is a latent heat of evaporation. Why? Because when the liquid, this is a okay, this is a liquid evaporated without changing of temperature. Without changing of the temperature, it is has done automatically vaporize. That is a region of the latent heat or at a constant temperature. Means the regular continuous temperature means the constant temperature. This is a why evaporate that region of the latent heat of the evaporation. Okay. Relationship between color and temperature of the star. You are looking on the sky. Some stars are very glow. Okay, very glow, and some stars are low glow. That region is a given of the Wien's displacement law. ठीक है, Wien's displacement law. 300 gram of the water at 25 degree Celsius. Celsius is equal to formula F minus 32 5 by 9. Yeah, it is a remember that there is a minus always. Final temperature of the mixture. So 0 degree Celsius. Final temperature. Celsius is added 100 gram of the ice. 100 gram of the ice at a 0 degree Celsius added. Okay. Ice is added 100 gram of the ice, so 0 degree Celsius. Okay, at a 0 degree Celsius. The final temperature is also 0 degree Celsius. Final temperature is also 0. The process in which no heat enters or leaves. Okay, process no heat enters or leaves. That system is known as the adiabatic. Okay, adiabatic means you are looking the thermal flux. Flux is not a heating include or not release. Okay, this is a basis on the adiabatic. This is a adiabatic process in which no heat enters or leaves from the system is known as the adiabatic system. Mode of the transmission of the heat in which heat carried by the moving particles. Okay, mode of the transmission of the heat which heat carried by the moving particle. Okay, moving particle, that is a heat region. Who is the that is convection. Who is the answer? There is a convection. Mode of the transmission of the heat. Mode of the transmission of heat is carried by the moving particle is region is the convection. A molecule's equivalent of the heat J is what? A mechanical equivalent. Sorry, molecules. I say that mechanical equivalent of the heat J is mechanical equivalent of the J is conversion factor. A conversion factor. Mechanical equivalent of the heat J is conversion factor. Mechanical equivalent of the heat J is conversion factor. Rate of diffusion is means rate of the diffusion is faster in gaseous than in liquid and gases. Water is usual as a coolant in the radiator of a car engine because water is usual coolant. Water is usual as a coolant. Okay, as a coolant in the radiator in the radiator of a car engine because the water is the high specific heat capacity. Okay, high has high specific heat capacity. Water has a high specific heat capacity. That region of the use of the water in the coolant of the radiator. Internal energy of the perfect gas is independent. Internal energy of the gas is a perfect gas is independent of no independent. Okay, pressure depend, volume also depend, temperature also depend. Internal energy of the perfect gas at absolute zero temperature. The kinetic energy of the molecules absolute zero of the temperature. The kinetic energy of the molecules becomes zero, remains constant, or becomes zero. Absolute zero temperature means kinetic energy of the molecules zero, becomes zero. Kinetic energy of the molecule becomes zero. Thermal radiation are electromagnetic wave belonging. Thermal radiation are the electromagnetic wave belonging to infrared region. What's infrared region? Thermal radiation are electromagnetic wave. Thermal radiation are electromagnetic wave belonging to infrared region. A white and smooth surface. What this is a low conductor, ठीक है, low, bad observer, highly reflector. Okay, bad conductor, bad observer, good reflector. Okay, bad observer, good reflector of the heat. Bad observer and good reflector of heat. Bad observer and good reflector of the heat. Bad observer, good reflector of heat. The saturated vapor pressure of the water at 100 degrees Celsius. Saturated vapor pressure of the water at 100 degrees Celsius. Okay, so 100 degrees Celsius saturated vapor pressure water is 100 degrees Celsius, 73 mmHg. The cloud float in the atmosphere because of this is a low density and low temperature. Okay, this is a low temperature. Cloud float in the atmosphere. Because of their low temperature. Okay, cloud floated in the atmosphere because of their low temperature. Low temperature cryogenics find application. Low temperature cryogenic find application. So where is the uses? Space travel, surgery, and magnetic levitation. Okay, magnetic levitation means you feel this is a magnet. Okay, this is a metal. Fill this in this period, in this cavity, use of the magnetic levitation. Okay, magnetic levitation. The low temperature cryogenic find the application is space travel, surgery, and magnetic levitation. Okay, space travel, surgery, low temperature or cryogenics find application is space travel. Yes, surgery and magnetic levitation. When water is heated from the 0 degrees to 10 degrees Celsius, the first decreases and then increases. Change of the solid into vapor directly is called the change of the solid into vapor. Directly solid into vapor is called the sublimation. Okay, sublimation. A hollow sphere of the radius r and hollow cube of the radius r and thin circular plate of the radius r made of the some material are all heated at 20 degrees. Okay, 20 degrees Celsius above room temperature. When left to the cool in the room. Okay, when left to cool in room, which of them will reach the room temperature? which the room temperature first sphere. Okay, react there is the sphere. Consider the following statement. Steam at 100 degrees Celsius and boiling water is at 100 degrees Celsius contain amount of heat. No, this is wrong. Latent heat of the fusion. This is wrong. Latent heat of the fusion of ice is equal to latent heat of the evaporation water. No, I am air conditioner. Okay, I am air conditioner. Heat ejected. Okay, this is a air heat is ejected from the room. Okay, this is a room is heat ejected from the room. Air at the evaporator boils. Room temperature at the evaporator coils and is rejected out at the condenser. This is right. Okay, only third is right. What is the principle by the which a cooling system means radiator in a motor car works? What? So convection. What is a convection? This is a convection. What is the principle? What is a principle which the cooling system means a radiator. Okay, means radiator in a motor car works convection. Motor car convection. Which of the following is the best conductor? Which of the following is the best conductor of the heat? Mercury or silver. Okay, silver is the best conductor of the heat. Silver is the best conductor of the heat. In a winter season, if we touch two blocks, one of the iron and another of the wood in the early morning, then the block of the iron appear to be more cold because winter season, if the touch of the two block, one of iron and other is the wood. Okay, early morning when the block is iron appear to more cold because the iron is the highly conductivity. Okay, iron is a good conductor of the heat comparison to it. Okay, iron is a good conductor of the heat. Iron is a good conductor of the heat in the comparison of the wood. The water from the hand pump is the warm in the winter because water from the hand pump is winter is hot. Why? Because there the environmental temperature is the low compared to the earth temperature. It means earth temperature has a high temperature as compared to environmental temperature. Okay, temperature inside of the earth is higher to atmospheric pressure. Which color of the heat radiation represented the highest temperature? Which color of the heat radiation represented? Heat radiation represent the highest temperature. White body. Okay, white. Which one of the following statement is correct? Transfer of the heat energy from the heater coil to cooking vessel takes place through the process. The transfer of heat energy from a heated coil to cooking vessel. Okay, heated coil to cooking vessel takes place through the process of convection only, or radiation and convection both are. Okay, convection and radiation are both are. That is a heater coil to the cooking vessel takes place. Okay, transfer of heat from the heater coil. Transfer of the heat energy from the heater coil to cooking the vessel takes place through the process radiation and convection only. How can boiling point of a liquid be reduced? How can boiling point of a liquid be reduced? How can boiling point of a liquid be reduced? How can boiling point of a liquid be reduced? By decreasing the pressure on the liquid. By decreasing the pressure on a liquid. Temperature of a body is an indicator of temperature of a body is an temperature of a body is an indicator. Average kinetic energy. Temperature of a body is an indicator. Kinetic energy of the kinetic energy of the molecules of the body is that is a region. Okay, temperature of the body is an indicator of average kinetic energy of the molecules of a body. At normal temperature, due to the puncture, the compressed air inside the tube of a car will suddenly start coming out. Then the air inside is temperature remains constant, same. Okay, remains the same temperature, remains at the same temperature. Normal temperature due to the puncture. Okay, the compressed air inside a tube. This is a inside tube, compressed air inside tube. The car will suddenly started coming out. Then the air inside the tube remains at the same temperature. Which one of the following is the true for the flow of water from the high level to low level? Okay, high level to low level, 0. G less than equal to 0. Two bodies A and B are the same mass and same amount of the heat. Two bodies A and B are same mass and same amount of the heat is given to both if the temperature of A increase more than that of B because of heat addition to means specific heat of A is more than the B. Okay, specific heat of the A is more than the B. Specific heat capacity of A is less than equal to B. Specific heat. Okay, specific heat. Two bodies A and B are the same mass, same amount of the heat is given both of them. If the temperature of A increasing more than of B because of heat addition, specific heat capacity of A is less than the B. A real gas can be liquefied. By the application of the pressure. Okay, by the application of the pressure when it the temperature. Okay, when it the temperature at a critical temperature. A real gas can be liquefied. By the application of the pressure. When it the temperature at the critical temperature. When it is the critical temperature. Night are the cooler in the desert. Okay, night are the cooler in desert than in the plains. Why? Because sand radiates heat more quickly than the earth. Sand radiates heat more quickly than earth. Sand radiates heat more quickly than. You are those friend you are send of the WhatsApp report your comment. Okay, friend to share to each other. Unit of the temperature adopted by the SI is the Celsius and Kelvin scale. It is based on unit of the temperature adopted by the SI is the Celsius and Kelvin scale. It is based on triple point of the water corresponding to 0.01 degree Celsius. Triple point of the water corresponding to minus 0.01 degree Celsius. Unit of temperature adopted by the SI is Celsius and Kelvin scale. It is based on triple point of the water corresponding to minus 0.01 degree Celsius. Clear night are cooler than the cloudy night. Why? Because radiation. Clear night are cooler than the cloudy night. Clear night are cooler than cloudy night because the radiation. A gas thermometer is more sensitive. Than a liquid thermometer because gas is expand more than a liquid. Okay, gas expand is the more than liquid. That is a reason of the more sensitive of the gas thermometer. Speed of light with the rise in the temperature. Speed of light with the rise in temperature of the medium remains unaltered. Remains unaltered. Speed of light rising in the temperature of media remains unaltered. Clothes keep us warm in the winter. Clothes keep us warm in winter because prevent of air, no, prevent of the heat of the body from the escaping. Yes, prevent of the heat of a body, prevent of the heat of the body from the escaping, prevent of the heat of a body from the escaping. Best conductor of the heat among the falling. Best conductor of the heat among the falling. Best conductor of the heat falling. This is water or mercury. Best conductor is the mercury. Okay. Best conductor of the heat among the falling, mercury or water. No, mercury. Answer. Metal tea pots have the wooden handle. Metal tea pots have a wooden handle. Why? Because they are the wooden is the bad conductor. Okay, bad conductor of the heat. Wood is the bad conductor of the heat. White clothes are cooler than the black ones because white clothes are cooler. White cloth are cooler than the black because reflect all light that reaches them. Reflect all light that reaches them. Water is used in hot water bags because water is used in hot water bags because it is a high specific heat. Okay, high specific heat. It has the high specific heat. That is a reason of the use of the hotter bag of the water. Instrument used to measure the humidity. An instrument used to measure humidity. An instrument used to measure humidity is known as the humidity is measured is the hygrometer. Humidity is measured instrument hygrometer. This is a question is 2019 came into BPSC. Okay, you must be remember hygrometer. Mercury thermometer was the invented Fahrenheit. Okay, Fahrenheit. Upper atmosphere. At upper atmosphere, an instrument feel the extremely cool. Upper atmosphere. An astronomer feel very extremely cool because they not that place is the present of the environment. That is a reason feeling the extremely cool. That is a bearing of the big and fatty cloth, which the following is the example of ideal black body. Which the following is the example of ideal body. Ideal black body means a pinhole box. Ideal black body, a pinhole black box. Okay, ideal black body means a pinhole box. The wavelength of the radiation emitted by the body depend on the wavelength of the radiation emitted of the body depend on the temperature. Okay, temperature of the surface. Wavelength of the radiation emitted by a body depend upon the temperature of the surface. Temperature of the water at the bottom. Temperature of the water at the bottom of the waterfall is higher than that at the top. The temperature of the water at the bottom of the waterfall is higher. Okay, waterfall is higher. That is the kinetic energy. Kinetic energy falling the water is converted into heat. Kinetic energy of falling water is converted into heat. Energy that can be harnessed. Heat. Okay, stored below the earth. stored below the Earth's surface is known as the geothermal energy. Geothermal energy. A temperature of boiling water in the steam engine may be high. Steam of the boils. The temperature of the boils water in a steam engine may be high because the high pressure inside the boiler. Okay, high pressure inside the boiler. High pressure inside the pressure boiler. A reversible and an irreversible engine are working between the same limit temperature. Both are working engine, reversible and irreversible. Okay, same limit temperature. The efficiency of a reversible engine is greater than the irreversible engine. Okay, reversible engine is greater than the irreversible engine. A reversible and irreversible engine are working between the same limit of the temperature. The efficiency of reversible engine is greater than the irreversible engine. First law of the thermodynamics is simply known as the conservation of energy. First law. Okay. Perspiration cooled the body. Perspiration cooled the body because evaporation. Okay. Evaporation required to latent heat. Evaporation required to latent heat. Perspiration cooled the body. Two specific heat of the gases are related to Cp minus Cv बराबर Rj. Cp minus Cv बराबर Rj. Cp minus Cv. Okay. Two specific heat of the gases related. Burns caused by the steam are much more severe than the cause of the boiling water because steam has the latent heat. Okay, steam has the latent heat, that is burns caused by the steam are the much more severe than those caused by the boiling water. Ice is packed in the sawdust because the sawdust will not a good conductor. Okay, sawdust is the poor conductor of the heat. Lowest temperature is recorded. Alcohol thermometer. A closed vessel containing the some gases. You are looking that this is a vessel, some containing of the gas. Okay, pressure and room temperature. Okay, this is placed into room temperature. The fast moving train. Okay, is the place in the fast moving train. The temperature of the gas will be the increasing or decreasing depend on the chemical composition. Increasing or decreasing depending on the chemical composition of the gas. If the pressure in a closed vessel is reduced by the drawing or the some gases, the means free path of the gases molecules will pressure of the enclosed vessel reduce the drawing of the some gases. The means of the free path of the gas remains unchanged. Decrease. Sorry दोस्तों, I get it इधर system glitch. Okay, so I solve up the problem of the system. Answer is the vessel containing of the some gases atmospheric pressure and room temperature is the place in the fastest moving train. The temperature of the gases will be increased or decreased depending on the chemical composition of the gas. If the pressure in the closed vessel reduced by the drawing or the some gases mean the free path of the gas molecules will be increased. Okay, The temperature at which the solid melt becomes a liquid at the atmospheric pressure is called it's the melting point. The melting point of the solid. Strength of the molecular force of the repulsion. No. Strength of intermolecular force of attraction. Strength of intermolecular force of attraction. The temperature at which the solid melt becomes the liquid at the atmospheric pressure is called its melting point. The melting point of the solid is the indication. Melting point of a solid is an indication strength of intermolecular force of attraction. Which one of the following statements with the regard to expansion of the material due to the heat is not correct? Due to the not correct. This is a not correct. Okay, this is a not correct. Mercury thermometer works using the principle of expansion due to the heating. Okay, due to heating, small gaps is kept between two rails to allow the expansion due to heating. Okay, a small gap kept between the two rails to allow the for expansion due to the heating. Yes, length of the metallic wire increase when the temperature is increased. Yes. Okay, mercury thermometer works using the principle of expansion of the heating. A glass vessel is filled with the water to rim and lid it fixed to the tightly. Then the left inside the freezer. For the hour. Water has been breaked. Water freezes to ice a level glass vessel break due to expansion of the water freezes of the ice. Which one of the following thermometer is known as the pyrometer? Radiation thermometer is known as the pyrometer. The latent heat of the vaporization. This is a answer you give. Okay दोस्तों, I am not give, you answer self give answer. Thank you. If the channel is there, like, share, subscribe and report error on the comment box.